Baldevieso, and I'm going to report about microprocessor and its subtopics. What is microprocessor? Microprocessor is a computer processor which incorporates the function of computer's central processing unit or CPU. On a signal integrated circuit, or at most few integrated circuits, the microprocessor is a multi-purpose clock-driven, register-based, programmable electronic device which accepts digital or binary data as an input. Process is according to instructions stores in its memory and provides result as output. Microprocessors contains both conventional logic and sequential digital logic. Microprocessor operates on numbers and symbols represented in the binary numeral system. Its subtopics are word size, multi-core processor, clock speed, CPU cache, and overclocking. First, I'm going to discuss about word size. Word size is a natural unit of database by using particular processor design. A word is a fixed size piece of data handled as a unit by the instruction set of the hardware of the processor. The number of bits is in the word is an important characteristic of any specific processor design or computer architecture. Multi-core processor is a single computing component with two or more independent actual processing units, which are the units that read the execute program instruction. The instructions are ordinary CPU instructions, but the multiple cores can run multiple instructions at the same time, increasing overall speed for programs enabled to parallel computing. Manufacturers typically integrate the cores onto signal integrated circuit die or onto multiple dies in a single chip package. Next, clock speed. Typically refers to the frequency at which a chip like a central processing unit, one core or a multi-core processor, is running, and it's used as an indicator of the processor speed. It is measured in clock cycles per second or its equivalent, the SI unit hertz. The clock rate of the first generation of computers was measured in hertz or kilohertz. This metric is most useful when comparing processors within the same family, holding constant other features that may impact performance. CPU cache is a hardware cache used by the central processing unit or CPU of a computer to reduce the average cost to access data from main memory. The cache is smaller, faster memory which stores copies of data from frequently used in main memory locations. Last, overclocking. Overclocking is a popular technique for eking out of little performance from a system. In many cases, you can force your CPU to run faster than it was intended simply by setting a jumper on the motherboard. That's all. Thank you.